Let us clear all the nodes. Press Shift plus F, which is the shortcut key. Press clear all. We can clear a specific node by using clear button by selecting nodes. For now we are using clear all. For repairing all the surface, there is an option in quick edit and options 1 2 3 4 5. Fifth option, toggle edges, where we have to write a tolerance value which should be minimum. Select the toggle edges as line. Could not stretch grep is 9 mm. This means the limit of tolerance is very low for this to toggle. Let's see what will happen if we increase the value much more. Let's suppose 10, which is very high. Here we can see the geometry is totally distorted. We have to put the minimum as possible. Just put the reject. There is no undo option in Hyperworks. To use a specific option, we have to observe the geometry very carefully. We can see clearly this node is shifted inward. This node should have in this position. The surface is shifted inwards. To repair this, we can translate this point, or we can make another surface by deleting the previous one. Just select the which we have to delete and select the surface and delete entity, and go to the surface option and select spline filler. Select point as the option. As we all know, these points are correct. We can choose them to make a new surface. Now we can use the toggle edges option to join this. Go to the quick edit in the geometry page and put a very specific tolerance value. We can see it by clicking on the edges. Here it displays the minimum value we can use. Let write 0.80 and click on the edges. While choosing edges, the edge should be correct one, because the incorrect one is stretched toward the correct one. In this case, the right edge is correct. Just click on this and you can see the geometry is repaired. Let us find more malfunctions in the geometry. Look at here, there is a yellow color. This means these have the 3 or more surfaces which are joined. This may be because there is an additional surface. I have to delete the extra one. We can delete the surface by this option. Delete all the additional surfaces and toggle their edges. For here we have to make the inside surface. Here we need the center of the circle to interpolate the nodes and then lines. To interpolate node center of circle, we use this option. Just select the line and select the center. We get the center node. It is not necessary to have a line body. You can interpolate the node by using only the edges of surface. But to form the inside circle, we have to split the circle into half, because it is not possible for software to make this spline with this. For example, if we select the top and bottom surface and click on create, the software hang completely and result are failed to construct a spline surface. There is another way. We can split the surface in quick edit panel using node, because we have node and a point, node and find a point. We splitted the whole surface into two. Now we can easily make this spline by selecting this half, inner half, and all the lines. Click on create. Similarly, we can make the half. Now it is completely ready for further process. In next tutorial we will explore another options.